Well, the first quarter economic report came out for the U.S., quarter one, 2026, and it did demonstrate and show a slowdown in consumer spending, clearly because of inflation and also gas prices has affected the wallets of everyday people, just like me, and I'm sure many of you who will be watching this. So consumer spending has pulled back, but unemployment remained low, which is great. And also wages increased as well during the first quarter of 2026. Businesses are paying their staff a little bit more money and also retaining people as well. So they see, businesses see the importance of keeping a steady staff as we work through these challenges in the economy. So consumer spending was down year over year, but it seems that business spending, investments increased significantly in the first quarter, and that is what kind of helped the economy grow. 17.2% increase in business equipment spending and investment year over year, first quarter over last quarter of 2025. And businesses are investing in equipment. They are looking to get used equipment as well, to also try to save a couple of bucks there. So you see some opportunities of buying some used equipment. For businesses, there may be an opportunity for you to sell that to companies. And the increase as well, the 17.2% increase year over year, quarter over quarter from last year is a result of AI investment, data centers. They need buildings and computers and all that kind of stuff. So there's a huge investment in that as well. So, but there's opportunity in the business equipment. So you may want to look at some opportunities there for your business. Also, there was an increase in software investment, 13%. So there are companies, again, this is the business sector, they're investing in software to make themselves more efficient, obviously crank out product and services using software, less people, things like that, obviously to continue to grow their businesses. And the manufacturing sector as well grew 2.4%, and a lot of jobs are coming back to the U.S. Stuff is being made here and the like, but the prices, the margin pressure is tight because of tariffs. Some of these manufacturers, they do bring in stuff from overseas to make their stuff here. So, but they're kind of absorbing that, and they're still growing, and the sector still grew, in the first quarter of 2026. So prices are tight in the manufacturing sector, but there's opportunity as well. So if you're selling into any of those industries, or you see some opportunities potentially to sell into the business sector, whether it's software, equipment, manufacturing, go out there and do it.